YouTube, what's good? Coming back at y'all today with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my washing styles. And y'all probably seen that last video. I was wolfing a little bit. And I cut my hair like the other day. I cut it down to like a 2. I cut it on like Sunday or something. I cut it on Sunday. It's Friday, so it's been almost a week. But whenever I cut my hair, I had lost my do-rag, so I haven't worn a do-rag this whole week. I really ain't been brushing much this whole week, so yeah, I gotta do this washing style to get my waves back right. And I swear to y'all, like I really did freaking brush my stuff this whole week pretty much. I ain't combed it that much either, but I mean I combed it like right before this video started, but I was just so I could get it laid, so y'all could see that so it kind of looked like I got my hair cut. It's like it's really almost time for an edge up, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. Washing style. These are 2 brushes I'm gonna be using. I'm going with the Diane, the hard. And I'm gonna use this here, Magic Wave, the soft. I got a review for it. If you ain't seen the review, go watch that. But yeah, the shampoos we got. Argan Oil from Morocco shampoo, the repair shampoo. And we got the nourishing conditioner. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. We're gonna get the water going. I ain't done this in a minute. Oh yeah, and I'm doing this because I found my do-rag. I just found it. I lost it like the whole fucking week. You're gonna need your hair to be wet so it'll lather up. And you know, if your shit ain't dripping, like the way mine's dripping down my face, if it ain't dripping like that, it ain't wet enough, then you're gonna rub it in. So you make sure all your hair is wet. Now I'm gonna take my shampoo. I see that. It's gonna focus, probably not. But shampoo, get however much you want. Like, if you want to use up all your shampoo, go ahead and do that. Just know you're gonna have to buy some more quicker than you thought. If you want to use a little bit, use a little bit. This ain't even my shampoo, to be honest. This is my girl's shampoo. She left it over here, but this shit here lather up pretty good, especially when your hair is wet like it's supposed to be. Smell like peppermints. I don't know what fucking flavor shit that is, but it should smell minty. Now make sure you get all your shit. Boom. This is what we're looking like. Wave check. Boom. Now you know. This is when you get your brush and you start going in. This towel. Cause I don't want to get this shit all over the place. Probably get over the place anyways. Let me start going in. You want to brush for however long you can brush. If you can brush for 20 minutes, brush for 20 minutes. You can brush for 30 minutes, brush for 30 minutes. If you're going to brush for 5, brush for 5. I don't know how long I'm going to brush for this video. I think my shit looking pretty decent. Feel good to brush my shit. I ain't brushed my shit in so long, man. can't wait to put this do-rag on. For real. If you ain't following me on Instagram, go follow me. Always spinning 23. It's your boy. Right side. Right side, my weak side. Get this mirror so. Towel there. I didn't brush my hair like all week, but I feel like I ain't really that much progress, to be straight up. I put some more shampoo in, because it ain't foaming up or lathering up like I like it. Got that much more. Some of that shit don't sound good. Well, yeah, back to the brush. Oh, shit. Yeah, my shit. My shit gonna be hidden once I put this rag on, once I come out the rag. I'm gonna show y'all that in this video. I'm gonna do a cut. It's gonna like cut. Once I put the rag on, I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash it out. And then once the rag dries out, I'm gonna come back in here and finish this video. My shit's gonna be hitting. I guarantee you. I'm gonna leave my Instagram below too. For those that ain't following me, so y'all could go follow a nigga. Then I'll start going in on my right side. My crown's straight, don't trip about that. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with the Magic Wave Softy. How long is this video? 9 minutes? I'm finna wrap it up, don't worry. I'm going with this mic here. I'm telling you, this after is gonna be crazy. Alright, that's enough brush. Last thing you wanna do before you put the rag on, I'm gonna put the rag on real quick. Brush the front. Or actually, Don't show it the side like that. Make sure your side's your weak side. Get your sides again real quick. Hit the top again, whatever. Make sure the front's laid like this. Make sure that shit's laid. I got the rag. I'm gonna put the rag on. And yeah. Actually, this here might be its own separate video. I'm gonna do the after shot though still. If the after shots ain't on this video, it's gonna be on the next video. Then the video after that's gonna be the morning method. So don't even worry about it. I feel good to have my fucking do-rag back too, for real. But I was feeling weird without like wearing my do-rag. I didn't even feel like myself, to be honest. I got my do-rag back. Yeah. Bro, this here the Wave Builder do-rag, so don't ask, like, if you ask me in the comments, I'm telling y'all now. Wave Builder do-rag is probably the best. This is my favorite do-rag, I'm gonna say that. This is my favorite do-rag. I had the fucking red by Kiss, them bitches trash. I got a pink one, I'll show y'all that bitch. That hoe is fucking cheeks. And the Wave Builder do-rag, it's $1 too. It's $1.62. Like, this shit's cheap. The best cheap do-rag. I might speed this part up, I don't know. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed watching me how I do my washing style, leave a boy a like, subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see me in the next video. We turning up. This is how you wash your style, bro. When I show y'all these after pics, that shit's gonna be crazy. So make sure you subscribe so you can see that, because it ain't coming tonight. It's gonna be on the next video. So you gotta subscribe if you wanna see it. Holla at your boy.